Say Tegan.
I said I can take a bath for my baby.
Say it again.
Can I take a bath for my baby?
What did you say, Tegan?
I said, can I take a bath for my baby?
Can you take a bath with your baby?
Yeah.
Go get your baby.
Enjoying that dinner culture. It's the barbershop. The barbershop is
Got it.
I haven't been to one in quite some time.
My baby in there. And my duck in there. A duck strip in the water. Duck right here.
What'd you say, Tegan?
It's a duck right here.
What the duck for?
It's for the water.
For the baby in the water?
Yeah. And our baby take a bath. And we have a rag for her, so it's up.
So you gonna take a bath with her?
Yeah. Her needs to take a bath.
Okay.